What's going on?
Hey, it's a beautiful day for a jump.
Yeah?
Don't you think?
You excited for this?
I am excited for this.
You ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
I'm not.
No?
High five. We're gonna have a good time, all right?
All right. Let's get high.
Yeah, that's the best way to get high.
So much quieter.
How was that?
That's amazing.
High five, man.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, how quiet it is.
Hey, right over there. How you feeling?
Beautiful. This is great. I still think that first fall out of the plane was probably the most exhilarating. But once the beautiful.
Thumbs up to the camera. Hey!
This is amazing.
Gotta do that cow field, right?
Oh, yes.
You ready to do a turn?
Yeah. Going.
Yeah!
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh,
Let's do another one.
do it again.
Yeah! And then we're gonna go.
Oh my goodness. So much prettier than that. I can hear myself now. Wow. Should I do vision down here?
I'm not sure.
Now this is about the view I get from the
Hey, man.
that was fun. Hang on, let me get my feet under me.
Here you go. So, back on the ground. And how do you feel?
Let's do it again!
Yeah, that's what I think. High five, man. Thanks for jumping with me.
That was blast, man. I appreciate you.
No
I really
problem.
do. Thanks.
No problem.